Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to the channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Please don't forget to press the bell icon and also please don't forget to refer to the membership options. There are 3 memberships are available: Elite, Emerald and Ruby. All the short-time recommendations are available to Ruby members and also the multi-bagger stock recommendations are available from Emerald onwards, and the Wealth Creator stock series are available to Elite members onwards. So please don't forget to refer to the membership options, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So today's video is a troll video. So before also 2-3 times I made the video on educational purpose, because all my subscribers and also all my members want to aware that what is going on in the market and how the gambling is happening. So please don't fall behind the gambling, and this is an awareness video. Please don't skip the video, please watch it. I will explain you in detail and how we should safeguard ourselves. So let us go into the video. You can see here that one Mr. Vinay Sharma, he posted a video 4 days back and it is having 1.2 million views. It means 12 lakhs views are happened in 4 days time. And if you see the thumbnail, you can see here that the current price is 48 rupees and within 1 year it will achieve 1200 rupees. So he is talking about AVI Polymers Limited. So let us go into the details. I'll explain you why this culprit, we have to call him as a culprit. So he's trying to fool all the newbies, because in the stock market there are a lot of new traders are there, and also there are a lot of new investors. They are investing their hardly earned money, and most of them they are running behind the penny stock. Even in my previous videos also I told very clearly that please don't run behind the penny stocks. Always invest in good stock. The fundamental, based on the fundamental, you have to make the investment. So this guy, what he is doing, he is utilizing his knowledge and he is foolishing others. So I will explain you. So you can see here Mr. Vinay Sharma, currently he is having 11.4k subscribers. This was happened in 4 days time. You can see here he posted 2 videos about this company, and within these 4 days he grabbed almost 11.4k subscribers, and you can see here that almost 1.2 million views are happened in 4 days. So let us go into the company's fundamental, and you can understand that the company is a junk. It's a junk. The company is not exist at all. So currently it is trading at 54 rupees per share. He started posting the video at 48 rupees per share, and it's a junk share. AVI Polymer is a junk share. I will explain you. Current market capitalization is 22.09 crore, and while we are coming to the company's shareholding pattern, you can see here that last 3 quarter company's promoter they are holding 28.10. Most interesting thing, if you are going to company's shareholding pattern, before 3 months it was 37.61% and it got reduced to 28.1%. You can see here the promoter holding they have reduced. It means this Vinay Sharma might be a part of promoter group, because it's like a what we will call, it's like a grocery shop. The total market capitalization is only 22 crore. Even a small funding business also will be having more than 50 crore, and the company is not exist and the company is going to be closed. That's the reason the promoter they want to take out maximum his money, and he want to dump all this junk to the public, the retail investors. See how many retail investors will be get lock on this. You can see here that almost 1.2 million retailers view this video in 4 days time. So when Monday opening, the tomorrow opening will be, there will be heavy demand will be there. In that there are lot of investors knowingly or unknowingly will fall behind this scam and will get into the trap. While looking at its quarterly result, you can see here that in past 2 quarters there was no sales happen to the company. The 0 sale you can see here. And in March 2021 1 crore sale was happened, and the net profit is zero. It's a negative net worth company, doesn't have any asset, the company is not operational, and while we are going to the company's website, you can see here that the product, nothing is mentioned here. Do you think that a company which is listed in Indian stock market can be like this? There are many companies only in papers, not in reality. It's on virtual world. So please don't fall behind this kind of people, and please don't lose your money. It doesn't matter that whether the company is listed in BSE or NSE. There are a lot of regulatory authorities are there like SEBI and all. Everybody can foolish them with a proper documentation. But always make sure that it's your money, and if you want to invest in a company, you should make sure that the company is in operational. Let it be loss making company, but the company is exist or not. Here in this case, you are going to invest the money where the company is not exist at all. So kindly avoid watching these kind of videos. This will be a big trap in coming years, and you will lose your entire money what you have made within your life. So please don't do that. So once again, thank you very much, and I hope that everyone will take this video in the right spirit and kindly invest based on company's fundamental, and that will exist with you. And I want all my subscribers and all my members should be success in the stock market, and you can refer to my videos. I always follow the fundamental in stock market recommendation. I never follow this kind of gambling. And once again, thank you very much for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. So thank you.